let's dig into the any cloud piece of this. Clearly, the private cloud, building your on-premise data center into a cloud, and that's the core of what VMware Cloud Foundation and VxRack and VxRail are all about. But VMware laid out a more comprehensive vision for cloud, on our cross-cloud architecture. How do we embrace and enable all clouds, including those that might natively not use the VMware technology stack? And against that, we've laid out this cross-cloud architecture vision to give you cloud freedom and control. The ability to turn your private cloud, your data center, into a properly operating cloud, but also to stretch that into public cloud resources through our partnerships with IBM, Amazon, Virtustream, and the broader set of vCloud Air network partners, and doing that through this software layer, this VMware Cloud Foundation, but also giving you management and networking tools to embrace other clouds like Azure and Google as well. Truly an architecture to deliver you cloud freedom and control. And the strategy is simple: enable any cloud. Your business requirements may require a broad set of different cloud resources, and we want to be the tools, the software that allows you to take advantage of that. And we're partnering with industry leaders, IBM, Virtustream, the VMware, vCloud Air network partners, and with Amazon. And what I wanted to do was give you a little view, right, of the VMware on Amazon service. And to do that, I'd like you to join me in welcoming Purnima Padmanabhan, right? See, David, I even tried to pronounce my long, hard name, right? Not like Ashley yesterday. So if you join me in welcoming Purnima onto stage to take a look at cross-cloud architecture. Thank you, Purnima. Great to have you here. And, anxious to take a look at what we've been working on, Purnima.
Yes, let's look at some of the magic that's here.
Okay.
So how easy is it to deploy a VMware cloud? Simply create the VMware cloud. And then you pick a region. Here we are going to pick Oregon.
Okay, the first one we're coming up in. That sounds
correct.
Right.
You pick a small deployment, pick your payment options, and then pretty much you're good to go. In the background, we are setting up a small instance of an entire SDDC stack, and there it is. The Oregon data center is up and running.
Very good.
How's that? 3 clicks and an SDDC.
Yeah. VMware and Amazon, very impressive, Purnima. So what else can you do with that?
Well, now that you have the capacity, you need to realize the capacity.
Hey, it's really nice that they named their conference out of your product. Right?
That is
this
right.
Is really cool. vRealize. Thank you for that, Jeremy. That's great.
That is right. So the VMware vRealize management allows you to deploy applications, deploy, manage, and monitor applications across all environments, be it your private cloud, a VxRack-based private cloud, or VMware-based cloud on AWS, or a public cloud like Amazon or Azure. So right here, you have the vRealize automation catalog with a bunch of applications already primed. These applications can run the entire spectrum, all the way from VM-based apps, fully containerized apps, to hybrid apps. Now I'm going to blog about all this awesomeness, Pat. So we are going to provision a small WordPress instance. This WordPress instance is a web tier in containers and a database tier on VMs. I simply give it a name, and then I pick a location to deploy. Here I'm going to use our Oregon VMC. Now in most cases with our automation solution, you don't have to pick, because our automation
we just automate where it goes to, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
It depends, depending on your cost, on your performance, and your business policies, the right placement is done. And because this blog is important, I'm going to pick a platinum level of data protection. And then I click OK, and pretty much the application is deployed. Now, to see behind the scenes what's happening, you can see on the vSphere side, there is a command.
Okay.
And if you look further, the VMs are now getting provisioned. So you have 2 additional VMs set up in provision,
new VMs up.
and I'm up to blogging.
Okay, so we've just deployed an application into the VMware Cloud on AWS.